This video is a how to change oil on a Chevy Captiva Sport 2012 to 2015. There are many other cars that also use the same oil filter cartridge, like the Chevy Cavalier 2002 to 2003, Chevy Cobalt from 2006 to 2010, Malibu 2011 to 2013, Pontiac Grand Am 2002, Sunfire 2002, G6 2010, G5 2007 to 9, the Saturn Ion from 2004 to 2007, the Saturn Vue from 2002 to 2010. So the first thing you're going to want to do is locate the oil filter cap, the oil filter canister, and the oil filter dipstick. The oil canister is located just behind the dipstick. To get it off, you're going to use a 32mm socket with a long extension. These wire harnesses get in your way trying to pull it out, but it will come out. When you get it out, pull the filter out of the canister, pull the O-ring off and replace both of them. Then reinstall it, tighten it down, but don't overdo it because it's only plastic. Then lift the car up to drain the oil. This is going to be a 15mm. Then once the oil's done draining, reinstall the drain plug. Then lower the car back down and fill it with oil. This one takes 5 quarts. Then to reset the oil light, find these 4 buttons. Sometimes they're on the dash. This one is down by your lower left knee. Continue pressing this button till the oil life comes on the dash. Then press and hold the check mark until you see this message on the dash. Then it'll go to 100% oil life. Start the vehicle and let it run for 5 to 10 seconds. Then shut it off and then check your oil level. Make sure you're at the proper level. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to get more videos like this one.